This is Craig Zelzer from PCDN. I'm delighted to announce our next workshop, which will be on personal finance for changemakers. In my many years of working in social change as a professor, consultant with PCDN, with clients around the world, and in conversations with many peers and organizational leaders, one of the gaps that I've consistently found is that many changemakers are so focused on trying to positively impact the world, whatever their issue is, that they often don't take the time to look at their relationship to money, where they choose to park their money or invest it, and where their money is sitting, if it's actively contributing to negative things in the world, such as supporting negative climate impacts or prisons or oil industries, or is their money parked in places that aligns with their values and that they seek to ensure to the degree possible that their money is not only growing, but making a positive impact where it's invested. So I hope you join us for our workshop on September 19th, where we're going to dive into this really important topic in a super interactive workshop. So if you've got any questions, let us know, and you can find all the information on our website or get in touch today. Thank you very much.